Here's a pair of Bose QuietComfort Ultra headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Android phone. The Android phone that I'm using is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So first thing we got to do is just put these into pairing mode. Okay, if you look on this ear cup here, you have two buttons here. Okay, you have a multifunction button and a Bluetooth/power button. We're only going to use the Bluetooth/power button. Okay, now it doesn't matter if it's on or off. First thing is, let's put this in a pairing mode. Okay, so here's the power button slash Bluetooth button. What you want to do is press and hold this button until it starts blinking blue. Okay, it doesn't matter if your headphones are on or off right now. Mine are off right now though. So here's the power button, Bluetooth button. Press and hold. Ready, set, go. Press and hold and wait till it starts blinking blue. All right, I'm holding right now. Oh, you can see it blinking blue really slowly right there. Now let me go ahead and let go. And on my Android phone, you may get a pop-up here. If you do, you can tap on connect. If not, just go directly to your settings, and then we're going to go to connections, and then just go to Bluetooth here. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Tap on that right there, and then go ahead and look under available devices. It's still in pairing mode because it's blinking blue. There's the QC Ultra headphones right there, so I'll tap on that to connect. It says pairing. Give it, oh, then I get a pairing request here. I tap on pair, and now it should show up here. There it is, connecting, and it says connected. And you can see it says connected right there. Now the thing is, if you have issues connecting or pairing, you can always factory reset these as well. Look in the description below if you need to factory reset these. Anyway, there you guys go. Pretty simple.